The wait's over, guys. Your boy bought himself a lot of Christmas fucking birthday goodies. You know what I mean? So I went to ZL1, cashed out a little bit, and today I'm about to put on the Wicked bill. I think I got the Stealth one, $200, the most expensive one. So yeah, we're about to get into this install. My cousin Gabe did this before, so I got all faith in this nigga, so he don't fuck up my spoiler. But yeah, pretty much he started prepping from the get-go. We just washed the car and everything, just to you said to protect the paint, right?
Yep.
Just to protect the paint. But we're about to get into this install. We got all the stuff in here. Pull it out. Hold on, I got too much stuff for them to see.
Why don't you open it all the way? Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna mark the holes just as a reference point so that in case it moves while we're drilling, and we're gonna start off with a small drill bit and then work our way up to the size that we need. And so here we go.
Hey, why isn't this shit focusing?
Because you're not doing it right.
Oh.
Do it like this.
Or we can pull those.
We're gonna use Quetzales though.
Oh yeah, you guys gotta try it.
Oh, we're using a 3/8 size bit to drill the hole, or Gabe is, because I don't fucking...
Well, I'm starting out with a 1/4 inch just to get a reference or a little starting point, and then from there I'll make it larger. I'll enlarge it back to the 3/8 that we actually need. This one is 3/8.
Fuck, shit's hot.
Yeah. Alright. Now we're gonna take it off. We're gonna put it in just for right now, and then later on we're gonna tighten it up. So we're just gonna put it on just for just basically to hold it. While we do the rest of them. Put it up.
Don't be like David.
Yeah, make sure you put these in there straight.
Make sure you put them in straight. You don't strip.
You shouldn't have any kind of resistance as you're putting these on. So
We're not done with it though. You said we're just gonna.
no, we're just putting it on just to hold it on. That way we can straighten it out. Because right now that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna keep fucking on and off, on and off, on and off until we get it. Until we get it where we want it. And unfortunately, this is the tedious process of taking it off, putting it on, taking it off, putting it on, because you want this shit straight. You don't want this looking like trash if you're gonna do it on your own.
And if you're gonna pay $200, you don't want it to
This is the
like
reason
shit.
why you also pay a lot of money when you take it to get installed. Somebody that's gonna do it right is gonna charge you quite a bit of money, because one is tedious, and myself, I treat all the cars like they're mine. So, if I'm gonna put my name behind some shit, it's gotta look good. Can't have shit out there looking like trash.
Mr. 110, nothing more, nothing less.
That's right. You give it all or don't give it shit. straight. And then give it 2 pumps. Give it the first one. Alright, let it go. Tighten it again. Give it a second. Okay. Cool.
So car's done. Still a little quick wipe down on my shit with the local products right here. I fucks with them. Redwood City, California. Eco Green Auto Clean. So that's pretty much it, man. It looks good. Thank you to my cousin Gabe. I probably would have fucked that shit all up. And I'm sure y'all gonna talk shit, but it is what it is. My cousin helped me and it looks like money.
He did a lot more work than you guys
what we
think.
got on film, but it was just, we even had to put the camera down for her to help because it was just too much shit to line up. But I think it's looking pretty nice. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helps you guys out. Shout out to my cousin Gabe for helping me out. Hope you guys liked the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.